With exceptional glass, 888-83 glass. Today I am showcasing a custom Neoangle steam seal completed in Butler, New Jersey. Sorry for the music in the background. I'm not the only tradesman on the job site. So we've got the panels going all the way up. Door in the center. Everything's in polished nickel hardware. And we're using regular 3/8 shower guard glass. So just wanted to showcase that. See how this guy works. Now I personally would have preferred to put the hinge on this side so that it opens this way. But this is what the client wanted, so of course I won't fight that. Okay. Oh, and also on the back portion here, as you can see, the saddle doesn't meet the wall at an exact 90 degrees. So what we did is that we mitered cut the back end here so that we have a flush fit. I'll go inside and I'll show you what I mean. So as you see, the glass is mitered for that. That's the way it should be done. Alright, if you need one of these, please feel free to give us a call at 888-83 glass or visit our website at njglassstores.com. Thank you.